Hello, my name's Kathy Campbell, and I'm the director of the Nursing Assistant Program at Cesar Chavez. This program is a 10.5-week program that enables you to take the state certification test to become a certified nursing assistant. Within this 10.5 weeks, we have both classroom time, and then we also go into clinical. Going into the 4th week, we start going to the convalescent homes in the area. That's where we do our clinical. We go there 4 days a week, and only 1 day do we have in the classroom after the 4th week. This is one of our clinical lab days where we have everyone dress up and act like we're in a hospital. So they already have scripts, more or less, the skills that have step-by-step of what they're supposed to do and what they're supposed to say. So it's a great way to practice with each other. We practice with each other as both the patient and as the nurse, so you know how it feels to be on the other side of on the bed. The job prospect is very, very good. You could get jobs almost immediately for the most part, especially if you go into long-term care or into the nursing homes or convalescent homes. The senior population is growing. There's a lot of assisted living care units that would like certified nursing assistants. You could also get jobs in the hospitals. Those are a little bit more difficult, more competitive, I should say. There's a lot of jobs out there, but they're more competitive. And if you want to go into the hospital, they prefer you also to have some computer experience. You don't have to be a computer whiz. So we work with the computer lab right here at Cesar Chavez to just know the very basics that you would need to get in there. The pay starts at about $9.50 an hour in the long-term care. The hospitals seem to pay a little bit more, up to about $14 an hour. In the hospitals, you also have a lot of other benefits like tuition reimbursement if you want to go on to continue your education. If you want to go on and continue your education in nursing, this can also be a career ladder step for you. If you plan to go on to your licensed vocational nurse, this is a prerequisite for all the public institutions in the area. They require you to have a certified nursing assistant. And that would be at City College has an LVN program, Grossmont Health Occupations has an LVN program, and Southwestern, Palomar, and Miracosta also have it. And then some of the other colleges go on a point system like San Diego State, where you actually get additional points for having hands-on patient care as a certified nursing assistant. To get into this class, we'll have you call here, and then we set up a reading test for you. We have a suggested 9th grade reading level. And we do have a lot of people that aren't able to attain that, but then we will send you with our counselor, and we have an adult basic education lab and also English as a second language lab, and they all have nursing materials. So in fact, you start your reading and learning before you even get into this class with similar materials that we'll be using. There's programs on the computer that you could work with yourself to increase your reading level if you weren't able to attain the 9th grade reading level. If you want to get into the healthcare field, this is a great entry-level class for any healthcare position. This one is the certified nursing assistant, but a lot of my students decide they don't want to be nurses, but they've gone on to dental assisting, they've gone on to speech therapy, occupational therapy, but at least this way you get to actually work in facilities and see what the nurses do plus what the other members of the healthcare team do.